Can you hear it? Can you hear the sound? Yes? This one?
C.
Mm.
Sing. The alphabet.
Mm.
The alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
One more time.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet.
All right. Very good. So, again, we have here, what's this one? The alphabet.
The alphabet.
Yes, very good. So, now, Aiden, let's have this one. Let's have next. Okay. So, we're going to listen, point, and say. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so we have here, I will let you listen, and then you're going to point. Oh, you can use your pen also. So,
Yes.
yes. Okay, we have here.
Page 3.
Mm,
D. Listen, point, and say.
mm.
1.
Listen.
What's that? How do you say this?
Listen.
Listen. Okay, one more time. Listen.
Point.
Just like that. Listen. What's that? Listen. All right. How about next? We have here.
2.
Point.
What's that?
3.
Point. What's this one, Aiden? Point.
Point.
Mm. Okay, how about this? Oh, we can just read this one. Count.
Count.
Oh, can you count? Can you count? 1, 2.
3, 4, 5.
Okay. Yes. Oh, Aiden, how old are you?
I am 6.
Oh, you're 6 years old. Oh, let's count 6. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, good job. All right. Now, how about this one, Aiden? Let's have. Oh, what's this one? Talk. Very good. Oh, can you talk? Can you say hi? What's this one? Can you say hi?
Talk.
Mm,
Hi.
all right. How about number 5? What's this one? Ask. Okay, one more. Ask. Okay. Just like teacher. Teacher would ask, hi, Aiden. How old are you?
I'm 6.
Oh, yes. Very good. So that is ask. Oh, how about number 6? This one is answer.
Answer.
Okay, one more time. Answer. Okay. So when teacher asks, hi, Aiden, how old are you? Then you answer, I'm I'm 6. All right. Now, Aiden, can you use your pen and can you point? Can you, yes, can you circle where is count?
Count.
Yes.
Oh, 1 minute. This one.
Oh, very good, Aiden. How about can you circle talk? Talk. Oh, good job. How about listen? Listen. Oh, very good. How about answer? Answer. Oh, okay, good job. How about point? Point. Mm. And last one, ask. Okay, what's this?
Ask.
Ask. Good job. Very good, Aiden. How about this one? All right.